all my community service sa Interact, and no doubt I got yata 92 grade, and then the second would be 86. And it's all because of the services that I had in Interact. And I never thought that the reward would be that immediate. After I graduated college, nakagraduate na ako, tapos saka ako in-interview for POSP, no? Akala ko noon, nagsiserve lang ako, nagsiserve kayo, di ba? And you are not asking for anything in return. Me too, me neither. I am not asking for anything in return, but a big blessing given to me. And yun nga, naging POSP winner ako. And thank you to Rotary because they were able to top my potential, my skills. It was developed in here. So thank you to Ma'am Sibilia and sa lahat. Kay Sir Manny, nakita ko siya. Thank you so much to Sir Ronnie Sibilia. Thank you very much. And I love Rotary